Good morning and a warm welcome to one and all.
Honorable guests, dear parents, and my dear children, we take great pleasure to have you all here on the pious occasion of the anniversary of Indian independence.
And the back
Before we start with the program, I'm sure you'll have to have a little bit of exercise. Yes? Parents, wake up, good morning. Little bit of exercise. I request all of you to please stand up. Put your right hand in, put your right hand out, put your right hand in and shake it all about.
And do the boogie boogie and then turn around.
Nobody is
That
doing
is the way it goes. Please, once again, we have to do this. You have to be flexible enough. You have to sit for the long time.
You should see your children running here. Yes. Okay, again. Put your left hand in, put your left hand out, put your left hand in and shake it all about.
That is the way it goes.
Okay, now lift your hands high. Men, put your hands in your pocket.
And
Take out your
lovely ladies,
smartphones. Take out your smartphones and please show it to us. All the men. Yeah. I'm sure every phone has a switch off button.
or at least silent button is there.
Yeah, silent button or switch off button. Please switch off your cell phones.
Please put your cell phones on silent.
And the ladies, pretty purses, wallets, put your hand inside them.
And
Ladies, no ladies have phone? Nobody has a phone? Already done?
Great.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Please be seated. Thank you.
I'm sure none of us want to get disturbed in the middle, so
And no cameras, no video cameras.
we have professionals over here, so we'll take care of it.
Thank you. Our chief guests for today are Mr. Atanu R. Sinha. He is our family friend. Please, we welcome him, sir. I request Aditi to please. Thank you so much, sir. Please give him a round of applause. We have his mother accompanied with him, Mr. Srimati Leena Devi. We welcome you, ma'am.
अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं रक्षितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः.
After doing this Guru Pranam, we are going to start our program. Our dear auntie Mashima, Shali, can we start this program? Yes, please. No, shall we start?
My salutations to that Guru who reveals to me that truth which is unfragmented, infinite, timeless divinity and which pervades the entire universe, movable or unmovable. Let's commence the program with a prayer.
Our children are going to welcome you all with a performance on the nostalgic song Swagatam Atha Swagatam.
This photograph, okay. We are going there, picture photograph, please.
That was beautiful, isn't it, Anita?
Yes, of course, it was a warm welcome to all of us.
I also request all of you to stand for national anthem.
श्रेया आ जाओ
Next in row we have Trisha, dressed as Jhansi Ki Rani. Here comes our Trisha, Jhansi Ki Rani. Brisk and smart. She doesn't want to do her role. Thank you, Vachi. Arjun as Bhagat Singh. Arjun, I would request his mother to please accompany him. Crying Bhagat Singh, oh my god. Never mind, thank you. Kritik as our Nehru. Kritik? Here he comes. Accompanied with his mother, Kritik. Agastya as Gujarat, from Gujarat. Agastya, he is representing state Gujarat.
कृष्णा मम्मी
He's yet to arrive, he's on his way. Please wait. Wait on the stage. Agastya, we're waiting for you. Here he comes. Oh, please give him a big round of applause. He's posing. Please take a picture. Thank you, Agastya. Indeed, you look really smart. Skanda as Rajasthani. Skanda, parents, can you please accompany your child? Thank you, Agastya. Vandana as Indira Gandhi. Vandana as Indira Gandhi. Hold your flag high. She's proud to be her. Do you want to say something?
Yummy
Chandrasekhar Azad. Vigneshwar.
Presenting Karnataka, here she comes.
Silent.
Next is Akash as Lal Bahadur Shastri.
Akash.
Come on, Shastri ji.
I want to tell you something.
He's waiting for the ball.
Jumping.
All happy. He's waving to all of you. Please wave back to him.
Very excited.
Surprise, Chacha Nehru. Where's your rose? Thank you.
Next is Raghavendra as Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Yeah.
He's busy with the senior friends. Giving them lectures. Thank you, Raghavendra.
Next is Sanket and he's dressed up as Swami Vivekanand. Wow. Here comes Abhimanyu as Subhash Chandra Bose.
Abhimanyu?
Where is he? I could see him.
He has something to say.
Maybe he wants to say, "तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा." Isn't it, Abhimanyu?
No, he's shy. Chirag as Nehru. Yeah, he has a rose. He has a flag. Holy flag! Jai Hind. Yes. Thank you. Tavashi from Karnataka. Tavashi from Karnataka. She is on the way. Here she comes. Namaste.
Sanjana dressed up as Rani Velu Nachiyar.
Sanjana. Thank you, Sanjana. Sharon again is Subhash Chandra Bose. Sharon. Sharon as Subhash Chandra Bose. He's busy talking to his friends.
And his mother is searching for him.
Oh, here, he's busy with his weapon. Thank you, Subhash Chandra Bose.
Athar is dressed in Rajasthani dress.
A boy from Lucknow. Looks like Lucknow, you know.
Athar? He's also busy with Subhash Chandra Bose. They're having a conference. Please wait. Thank you, Athar. You've been taking time from your conference and coming for us. You can continue.
All these freedom fighters are here only for you. My dear
Please give them a
parents,
big round of applause.
they are doing catwalk for you.
Okay, there's another Lucknow boy who wants to come on stage and say hi to all of you. A very young friend. Just started walking.
That's beautiful. He is the future student of our Arunoday.
We are waiting for him.
Next is
Thank you, Ashwin.
Next is Bhavishya, representing Karnataka.
Bhavishya. Looking for her father. Yeah, he is with you. Don't worry.
Thank you, Bhavishya.
Parents are already tired. Please put your hands together.
No, I think Anita, we need to make them do the exercise again.
Yeah.
What about one more time, Boogie Woogie? Shreya as again Jhansi Ki Rani.
We have so many Jhansi Ki Ranis.
They all are fighters.
She's getting ready. Sword.
A plastic
Oh, her sword
food,
fell
I
off.
think.
It's okay, it's okay.
Thank you, Shreya. Wow. Next is my favorite. Manas as Anna Hazare.
Anna Hazare. Anna Hazare, are you fasting today?
I hope not. Athena is next in the line. She's representing Kerala.
Tina. Here comes Kerala Kutti. Kerala Kutti is wondering what to do. No, she's observing all of you. So please give her a big round of applause. She's not going to go off the stage if you don't. Thank you, Athena.
There's one more Jhansi Ki Rani with us. Disha.
Oh, you're wonderful, Disha.
I think the mother should also join us in fancy dress. She's looking beautiful.
Thank you, my friends. That was really a good look.
Ladies and gentlemen, here comes our young soldiers marching on the Bengali patriotic song How De Dharo Mete Dheer, which says, be steady in your religion, be brave in your deeds, and you will see India as a new rising sun in the horizon of this world.
Left, right.
She
with Divya. That's right.
Thank you, friends.
ಕೇಸರಿ ಬಿಳಿ ಹಸಿರು ಮೂರು ಬಣ್ಣ ನಡುವೆ ಚಕ್ರವು ಸತ್ಯ ಶಾಂತಿ ತ್ಯಾಗ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಹಿಡಿದ ಚರಕವು ಕೇಸರಿ ಬಿಳಿ ಹಸಿರು ಮೂರು ಬಣ್ಣ ನಡುವೆ ಚಕ್ರವು ಸತ್ಯ ಶಾಂತಿ ತ್ಯಾಗ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಹಿಡಿದ ಚರಕವು ಇಂಥ ಧ್ವಜವು ನಮ್ಮ ಧ್ವಜವು ನೋಡು ಹಾರುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ಧ್ವಜದ ಶಕ್ತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಕ್ತಿ ನಾಡ ಗುಡಿಯ ಮೆರೆಯುವುದು ಇಂಥ ಧ್ವಜವು ನಮ್ಮ ಧ್ವಜವು ನೋಡು ಹಾರುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ಧ್ವಜದ ಶಕ್ತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಕ್ತಿ ನಾಡ ಗುಡಿಯ ಮೆರೆಯುವುದು ನಾಡ ಗುಡಿಯ ಮೆರೆಯುವುದು ನಾಡ ಗುಡಿಯ ಮೆರೆಯುವುದು.
Our young friends are here to steal your heart with their brilliant performances. So to start with, let me invite them to express how proud they are to be born as Indians through their performance.
भारती है भारत की संतान
हे भारती मिट्टिया से बनाए सबके प्राण हम सब भारती हैं भारती संतान हे भारती मिट्टिया से बनाए सबके प्राण सबके शरीर सबके भाषा नाच और गान हे भारती मिट्टिया से बनाए सबके शरीर सबके भाषा नाच और गान ये भारती मिट्टिया की पानी से भारत की है भारत के संतान ये भारत की मिट्टी
हवा से बनते सबके प्राण हमके सबके प्राण बनते सबके प्राण सबके प्राण.
Thank you, young friends. That was so lovely, Anita.
Light of mine, I'm going to let it shine.
our young soldiers with their performance on Pip 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 Sararararam.
You can all join them if you know the song.
Through the next performance, our friends are going to tell us how they are going to build our nation.
Sisters, come and help. Building of the nation of the world. I am the nation. I am the nation. I am the nation of the world. Brothers, come and help me. Sisters, come and help me. Building of the nation of the world. What do your friends say? We are the nation. We are the nation. We are the nation of the world. Sisters, come and help. Building of the nation of the world. Building of the nation of the world. Building of the nation of the world.
Yes, my dear friends, you are our nation and future. We all thank you for being there.
Our chief guest for today, Dr. Atanu R. Sinha, is a distinguished visiting faculty in the Department of Marketing at the Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore. He is a scholar holding rare and prestigious academic accomplishments from some of the finest institutions in the world. Post his bachelor's and master's from the Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata, he obtained his doctorate from the Stern School of Business, New York, USA. Besides his academic commitments as Associate Professor of Marketing at the Leeds School of Business, Colorado, Anderson School, UCLA, ISB, Hyderabad, and IIMB. He has also played the role of a much sought after marketing consultant amongst Fortune 500 companies. Wow! Sir, we are really proud to have you here today. We would request you to please talk a few words.
Thank you very, very much. I'm absolutely honored and privileged to join this particular auspicious occasion. And Mrs. Shumita Mukherjee, she is like my elder sister. I know her for a long time, and I'm absolutely delighted at what she has done with regard to this school and all the things that she brings in here. So I'm so glad that the children have presented such a wonderful, wonderful movement, and I cannot be more proud of their accomplishments. And also I thank all the parents for the support they provide to the children and of course to the school as well. So again, I'm delighted to be here and thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. We are indeed proud to have you here. I will request Ms. Srimati Leena Devi to please say a few words. Yeah, she has witnessed the fight for independence.
All the riots, Hindu-Muslim riots, and the division of Bengal, everything she has experienced. And she was from East Bengal, and her many relations and uncles, they were freedom fighters. So let us listen from her, and then I will translate to you in English. Please. She was in, Bangladesh, nowadays we call it, it was East Bengal. She was born and brought up over there, before independence. She was 14 years or 15 years old in 1944 and 1945. At that time she is remembering now. At that time she was studying in class 9 in a school, but those days that the girls' education was not much in practice. Her father was involved in the office of law, that is in the High Court. So he was working over there. Her uncles were the freedom fighters. Those days, what happened, she had a very bad experience with British, the police people. They entered their house. They took out everything. They torn off the important papers and the clothes. They make a mess of it and then they left. They threw away all those clothes and all those important papers from her house. And they took her uncles to jail. They could have taken her father also, but could not find out many faults. Then what happened? The senior lawyer protected him. Her father's senior lawyer protected him. And her uncle was in jail in Andaman for a long time. In the jail's wall, his name is engraved. They came, 1948 to in this West Bengal, leaving everything, their house, their property, and everything here. So you see what experience she has got, and I'm really proud to have her for this, flag hoisting, and I am honored. My institution is honored. Thank you.
Fate is the only bird which sings when the dawn is still dark. To prove this proverb, our friends will sing "Hum honge kamyab" with tremendous faith and determination to succeed.
About this method, it's not possible to say the whole thing. Only I'll say Dr. Maria Montessori, whose photograph is here, she has invented this method. It is so old, but it is, when I practice, I feel it's so new. It is for the children. She is the one who first studied the normal child. Before that, the child psychology was studied, but with the abnormal children, not with the normal children. She was the first lady doctor in Europe, but she was for the country, for the world, not only for her own country. And she then find out what was her subject. She is not for that. She later on took education, and she studied the children's psychology and did a marvelous thing in this whole world. So we are grateful to her. That is her method. Whole of preschool we covered. People has got misunderstanding. They think it is just before nursery even, or very young children. No, These children, they will be with us till the age of 6. They come to us at 2.5, the whole of preschool stage. Introducing ourselves for our Nurmada, all of you know my name? All my friends, do you know my name, my children? Again you are talking, do you know my name? Okay, then I did not say about myself. I will talk first about Auntie Rama Roy. She was my friend, and then she liked this method, and she has got many qualifications, but apart from that she took this nursery method and working with me as children's friend. And really she is a great help to us, and for a long time I'm grateful to Dada Roy also. Where is Dada Roy? Okay, he is just like my elder brother, and he is the eldest in the family. Sometimes I feel he has come here, and any trouble I go to him and take his advice. And thank you, Dada, that you are here. Without your support, Rama couldn't have done this hard work. Thank you so much. Then after that, I must talk. Bidda Auntie. Where is Bidda Auntie? She my heart, lungs, right hand, everything. She is here, how many years? I can't say. 15 years. No?
Show me the photo.
No.
18th year. Oh, 18th year. Oh my God. 18th year she is with me. And she was very young when she joined me. She was very beautiful looking, and she really has done a lot for me. And later on, I forced her to do the training, and she took the training, and she is a great soul in the Montessori house. Not only she, her husband also looks after us. But he is there, Mr. When we are not there, he comes here, looks after this school, and he has sacrificed with his daughter, Anita. Anita, she is known as my dream child. So she is with me, she looks after me. Really, I am grateful to you, Mr. Uday Kumar, for that great thing you do for Varnoda family. Then after that, Manjula and Pradeep, you are the friends first. Before marriage, Manjula knows us. And then after that she got married. She became mother, as mother of the Varnoda also. And then she liked it, she did training. Her children are good asset for me. Pradeep has come? He's not here. Okay. Pradeep also thinks about us. They have donated some good material for our school. It is such a great thing, and without her I feel really lonely. And I feel that she will not be with me. I feel that because the children are going away. But she is with us in this year. So I'm really grateful to you, Manjula. And then all these events you are seeing, it is there. Hard work, all the aunties. Then Radheshwari auntie, all this younger section, and the new children, it's such a difficult job she is taking over. Radheshwari auntie also was as a mother first, and then she liked it, and she started working as just a helping hand, and then she did the training and regular. The younger children who are coming first over here, she is taking over them, and really it's a great work she does. It is very difficult work, but she does it. And whenever you see anywhere, in dance, music, she jumps and helps us. And Bhima Rao, her husband, and he really is fond of us. And if he was not helpful, she could not work this hard work. So thank you. Bhima Rao has come? No. Thank you. I give my thanks to him and say I'm really grateful to him. And two children I brought up here. Sometimes they also come and help me. They are my ex-students. Then after that I will talk about Sheila auntie. You must have seen Sheila auntie. My Usha Uttu. Please come forward. Such a great thing. She didn't take her training, could not take her training for her family's responsibility. But she does wonderful job. Sometimes when we forget something, she gives us a reminder, and we do that work for the children. Then her husband, Shagara, is a very friend of my husband. He is not here also. But without the husband saying the wife cannot work, you most probably all of you know this. Without their support, without their help, they cannot do such hard work. Anita, 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 she has joined us recently. Very good thing. Anita was working hard, and you saw her directing the children in their bhajan. And Anita's husband also has been very helpful. That's why you can do such hard work. And this child is also with us. Anita's child is recently has joined. Manishi, you are here for an announcement. Manishi, and Manishi's husband is one of the persons. Is Rashikar Reddy. He is also wonderful man. He, first of all, admitted his child, and then Manishi came to us, and Manishi is doing a wonderful job with us. We are so happy, Manishi. Thank you so much. And Neetu's joined. Where is Manoj? Manoj is here. I saw. Manoj is here. See, you can make out how helpful he is. Manoj is my Guruji, and I've done this yogas from Manoj, and so many ways Manoj helps me. Anything, this transport is not there, we just approach him. Manoj, will you bring your car? Yeah, here Manoj is ready to do that. Really, it's a great thing. Manoj is learning music also. He has given the first exam and he has done well, I believe. The result. Okay. Yes, thank you so much, Manoj. Without your, in spite of all the hard work, you support Neetu. So Neetu is doing fine with me. Neetu's daughter Naisha was here with us for a long time. She completed her preschool from here, and in this year she has joined the high school. Shima De and Shakti De. Shakti De, I know him from 17 years old when he was. And then Shakti got married. Shima is with us. And Shima's son is a very good singer. In this time he hasn't come because he is in a higher class and gone to the school, his school. And he is my ex-student too. Shima does wonderful work. Like a mother, she feeds all the children during tiffin time and looks after them. And her children has done the preschool from here. They're completed, but still she comes and helps us. Thank you, Shima. Thank you all the work you do for us. Then I have heard Lakshmi Amma. Lakshmi Amma was known by, my husband gave her a name, Mukhya Lakshmi. That means a male Lakshmi. I had many Lakshmis those days, but so she is my Mukhya Lakshmi. She does all the cleaning job inside, and of course indirectly she helps the school a lot. Thank you, Lakshmi Amma. For a long time. How many years you work in Lakshmi Amma? Ivla Varsha. Vatanala, 14 years. Okay. Chirakamma, I call her my mother. My mother all what I will wear. Sari, she has selected for me. And she was scolding me because according to her, the ornaments so she is just like my mother. If I do not eat in time, she is up to me. All this who can do? Without Narayana's that indirect support is always there. Narayana, I want to listen, we take his name and all the time the flags and all that stuff. So thank you all of you for, without your help this show could have done. Then Mangala is there. Where is Mangala? Sarva Mangala Mangalya. She is here. She is very good. I have given a good name, Bagicha Rani. She looks after my garden. She sees that flowers are there, the grasses are there, and her husband, whenever we need him, drives the car. I must talk about my Divya. She's my mother, last. You see, she is only 19 years old. But she does a wonderful job. Thank you, Divya. I can only give thanks to you alone. No one else. And thanks to everybody. Everybody. I know. And with some parents, they are also helpful. All parents. I'm remembering Kavita. This Bhavisha's mommy. Where are Kavita? Where are you, Kavita? Anytime, any help, Kavita comes forward and helps. There are many parents who have helped us for the materials and all. And then recently, Jatinder Kaur. Jatinder Kaur, isn't it? Where are you? Yeah. She came for the dance. We'll see the dance. She's a good dancer. And Anita is my little child Anita's student she is. So you can see her, that choreograph and how it is. She did that choreography. So thank you so much for all the trouble you have taken for extracurricular activities. You can see Mr. James. Mr. James is here with piano. He is my husband's teacher, my teacher for piano. Still any problem you see of sing, he comes forward to help us. Then there is Joshi hasn't come, he is sick. Joshi is also for painting. He is my husband teacher, he works. And then all of us will learn painting. Anywhere, any painting we take his help. And he comes forward to help us out. And another, my teacher is here, Abhijit Chakravarti. Abhijit Chakravarti, he is my teacher. And he also helps us a lot. Now, any program we do, then he comes forward for helping us. Takes our children to the sport, on stage. Today is his birthday. We'll know it later. Okay. And then Ramadi's daughter Parama also helped us for this dances and all. Yeah, it is really great thing. Without this, all this, help, we couldn't have done. One thing I have to say, my children and my ex-students, all of them, thank you so much for does all these things. And last is who has been Shamiana. I've left it to them. Who is taking this photograph? I don't know, sir, your name? Raja Rao. Raja Rao is doing a great job. He's taking our photograph. We have to see how he takes. And Manoj, of course, I cannot give only thanks to Manoj. But anytime any need, I will approach to him. And in my family, there is one person that we have to say. That is Mr. Abhiru. He is my great grandson. Really he is great. He is best. He is a very, not only handsome, very good person. As a person, he is very good. And now I am introducing him alone. I feel next program itself, I can introduce his partner also. Let us hope that. He is a great person. Without him, he quietly does the job. Indirectly, he is just like a true Montessorian. He indirectly does all the help to us. Since my husband has left me, I depend on him for everything. And to departed soul, I have to bow down to them. I cannot give thanks. That is my Samandi, who was in that institute of management for a long time. He is the one who motivated me to do this sort of program. And he was my first chief guest. That's why I am remembering him today. I am remembering him today. And he is no more in this world. So I bow down to his departed soul. And then my husband, who was everything in my life. Whatever you are seeing me today is for him, his Dr. N.P. Mukherjee. He was a doctor, but he was a very good person. And whatever I am today is for him. I could not talk in front of a male person. I was so shy. But he made me like this. So always I feel him. When he was here, he used to talk to parents. So what to say, only thanks are not enough. So I must watch something. Thank you so much. Anything I have left, please take my thanks today. And I don't know whether I left anybody or not. If I've left anybody, Manjula, I left anybody. Thank you, Anita. Anita, I feel that this is my daughter. So I always give her thanks.
Thank you, Auntie.
Look these young painters. They belong to your generation who grew up without having participated in the independence struggle.
Yeah, painters. We are looking for unique subjects to paint. We want to make at least one
Try again. I think it should go
life that contribute to our country's rich cultural resources. Love our country and we are proud of it. Long live India, my lovely land forever. Long live India, my lovely land forever.
The painters carry their brushes, easel and stool in a pack and start walking towards the east. They meet few people. Scene 2.
My dear people, is there something that we can paint? Something really Please tell us how you want to My dear people, is there something around that we can paint? Something really beautiful. Something everyone needs. Admire, enjoy, and fulfill their happiness. Yes. It's a hospital nearby. I remember how before independence we had almost no hospitals and no free treatment. There is a hospital nearby. I remember how before independence we had almost no hospitals and no free treatment. We should paint it. Doctors really sacrifice a lot for people. Oh, quite interesting. It reminds me of the color in the flag saffron. It stands for courage and sacrifice. Saffron stands for courage and sacrifice. Saffron stands for courage and sacrifice.
The painters look quite impressed and decide to go on towards north. Scene 3. This time, the painters meet few old men and women.
We are looking for a unique subject to paint. Something really beautiful. Something everyone is Yes. There is the voltage show nearby. Paint it for me, please. It's really beautiful. Now that there is no any law longer joint families. Our children have gone away and the old age home looks after us. It reminds me of blue in our flag, the Ashoka Chakra. Blue stands for me, Buddha's compassion. The chakra stands for 24 hours of hard work. The chakra stands for 24 hours of hard work.
Scene 4. The painters look even more impressed, but they leave them and go on. This time they move towards the west. They meet few beggars.
We are following next subject to paint. Something really beautiful. I enjoy and give them happiness. Yes. Paint that temple Banapahyahanti, they give us food. Yes. Reminds me of green in our flag. It stands for prosperity, and prosperity shade is indeed real prosperity. Oh, that's combination.
The painters go off somehow still dissatisfied and move on towards the south and meet a little girl.
My dear people, is there something else that we can say? Something really beautiful. Might enjoy and give them My grandfather was taken to jail while fighting for independence. So my parents let me teach him the beautiful thing on earth. But what uses freedom if there is no peace in our hearts? Can you paint it for me?
The painters are astounded.
We have to. You are right, Lonnie. Your words remind me of the white in our flag. This stands for peace and purity. White stands for peace and purity. We have to find peace in ourselves.
The painters went home extremely sad, happy at the same time. The next day, they painted their masterpiece. It was a painting that had India in the background, a tricolor fluttering person proudly, and in the foreground stood a smiling, happy little girl near a hospital, an old age home, and a temple. A white dove fluttered in the blue and white sky, carrying in its beak 2 green olive leaves. The painting was definitely a masterpiece. The characters in the skit are Lakshya, Arham, Bhuvan, and Tanaya. The others are Omkar, Sanika, and Tony.
Stand for courage and sacrifice.
Here are the old men and women, Sai Vidya, Rochana, Dhruvi, and Manojna. Next comes Nehala, Suraj, and Amrita.
Yes. I Green stands for prosperity. Namaste.
Yes, the little girl is none other than our Aditi.
White stands for peace and purity. Did you all first find peace and process? Namaste.
The core group are Nehala, Shreya Jain, Shreya Reddy, Sharika, Tanush and Purmita.
Long live India, my lovely land forever. Namaste.
Thank you, Malkesh.
Now our friends from Kerala are here to express their feelings about their nation.
നമ്മുടെ നാടിൻ പൊൻകൊടിയേ നോക്കൂ നോക്കൂ കുട്ടികളെ നമ്മുടെ നാടിൻ പൊൻകൊടിയേ മൂന്നേ മൂന്ന് നിറങ്ങളുമായി കാറ്റിലുടഞ്ഞു കളിക്കുന്നു ചക്രം ഒന്നേ കൊടി തന്നിൽ ഒട്ടനവധി കാണിക്കുന്നു വരുവിൻ വരുവിൻ ബാലകളെ കൈതൊഴുതിടാൻ പൊൻകൊടിയെ നോക്കൂ നോക്കൂ കുട്ടികളെ നമ്മുടെ നാടിൻ പൊൻകൊടിയെ നമ്മുടെ നാടിൻ പൊൻകൊടിയെ
India will teach us the tolerance and gentleness of mature mind, understanding spirit and unifying, pacifying love for all human beings. This is what these children are proving with their performance on Nanna Munna Raheen.
नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद।
তোমার আদর্শ সীতা সাবিত্রী দময়ন্তী।
O India, forget not that the ideal of the womanhood is Sita, Savitri and Damayanti.
ভুলিও না তোমার উপাস্য মানাত সর্বত্যাগী শঙ্কর।
Forget not that the god thou you worship is the great ascetic of ascetics, the all-renouncing Shankara.
ভুলিও না তোমার বিবাহ, তোমার ধন, তোমার জীবন ইন্দ্রিয় সুখে, নিজের ব্যক্তিগত সুখের জন্য নহে।
The Lord of Uma, forget not that thy marriage, thy wealth, thy life are not for sense pleasure, are not for thy individual personal happiness. Forget not that thou art born as a sacrifice to the mother's altar.
ভুলিও না তুমি জন্ম হইতেই মায়ের জন্য বলি প্রদত্ত। ভুলিও না তোমার সমাজ সে বিরাট মহামায়ার ছায়া মাত্র। ভুলিও না নীচ জাতি মূর্খ।
Forget not that thy social order but the reflex of the infinite universal motherhood. Forget not that the lower class,
মূর্খ,
the ignorant,
দরিদ্র,
the poor,
অজ্ঞ,
the illiterate,
মুচি,
the cobbler,
ম্যাথর,
the sweeper
তোমার রক্ত তোমার ভাই।
are thy flesh and blood, thy brothers.
হে বীর, সাহস অবলম্বন করো, সদর্পে বলো আমি ভারতবাসী, ভারতবাসী আমার ভাই।
Thou brave one, be bold, take courage, be proud that thou art an Indian, and proudly proclaim, I am an Indian, every Indian is my brother.
বলো মূর্খ ভারতবাসী, দরিদ্র ভারতবাসী, ব্রাহ্মণ ভারতবাসী, চণ্ডাল ভারতবাসী আমার ভাই।
Let's say the ignorant Indian, the poor and the destitute Indian, the Brahmin Indian and the Parai Indian are my brothers.
তুমিও কোটিমাত্র বস্ত্রাবৃত হইয়া সদর্পে ডাকিয়া বলো ভারতবাসী আমার ভাই, ভারতবাসী আমার প্রাণ, ভারতের দেব দেবী আমার ঈশ্বর, ভারতের সমাজ আমার শিশুসজ্জা, আমার যৌবনের উপবন, আমার বার্ধক্যের বারাণসী।
Thou art clad with butter rag, round thy loins, proudly proclaim at the top of thy voice, the Indian is my brother, the Indian is my life, Indians' God and goddesses are my God, Indian society is the cradle of my infancy, the pleasure garden of my youth, the sacred heaven, the Varanasi of my old age.
বলো ভাই, ভারতের মৃত্তিকা আমার স্বর্গ, ভারতের কল্যাণ আমার কল্যাণ, আর বলো দিন রাত হে গৌরীনাথ, হে জগদম্বে আমায় মনুষ্যত্ব দাও। মা, আমার দুর্বলতা কাপুরুষতা দূর করো, আমায় মানুষ করো।
Say brother, the soil of India is my highest heaven, the good of India is my good, and repeat and pray day and night. O thou Lord of Gauri, O thou mother of the universe, vouchsafe manliness unto me. O thou mother of strength, take away my weakness, take away my unmanliness, and make me a man. Thank you.
भारत जननी तनुजाते जय हे कर्नाटक माते जय सुंदर नदी वन गणनारी जय हे रस ऋषि जय भारत जननी तनुजाते जय हे कर्नाटक माते जय सुंदर नदी वन गणनारी जय हे रस ऋषि जय भारत जननी तनुजाते जननीय जो गुण वेदद घोष जननीಗೆ ಜೀವ ಪುನ್ನಾವೇಶ ಅಸುರಿನ ಗಿರಿಗಳ ಸಾಲೆ ಚಿನ್ನಯ ಕೊರಳಿನ ಮಾಲೆ ಕಪಿಲ ಪತಂಜಲ ಗೌತಮ ಜಿನನುತ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ
Next we have Sharika and Tejas. Next we have Sharika and Tanush.
Hockey is our national sport. Hockey is the national sport.
Thank you, Sharika and Jagrat.
Next we have Sanika and Tanush.
Because it's our national sport.
Thank you, Tanush. Shreya Jain and Nagraj.
Lotus is our national flag.
Thank you.
Next is Arham and Alan.
Mango is our national fruit.
Neela and Adarsh.
Banyan is our national tree.
Thank you, Neela and Adarsh. Lochana and Lakshya.
Animal is our national fruit. Tiger is our
Thank you. Aditi and Tanaya.
Mahatma Gandhi is our father of the nation.
Thank you.
So parents, what do you say about such confident children?
Parents, can you tell us who's written Vande Mataram?
Very essence of democracy. The pride of the people is the pride of the nation. No one is big or small, and everyone gets an equal opportunity in democracy. This is what our next Bengali song depicts.
आपने पीले पांच हाथों को राखे नीति खोलो अशोके बोले मुझे राजा शबे बिल्लो किशाके हमरा सबाय राजा हमरा चोर मुझे शिष्य बिल्लो रानी बने हमरा चोर मुझे शिष्य बिल्लो रानी बने ना मोर रानी किशोराता किशोरते बोले मुझे राजा शबे बिल्लो किशाके हमरा सबाय राजा हमरा सबाय राजा আমার বেটি রাজা রাজতে बोले मुझे राजा शबे बिल्लो किशाके हमरा সবাই রাজা রাজা আমার বেটি রাজা রাজতে बोले मुझे राजा शबे बिल्लो किशाके हमरा সবাই রাজা
Our friends from Maharashtra are here, coming with a Marathi song.
Everybody to sing this song. It's a very popular song. All the Bengalis know this song. And it was my husband's very good favorite song. He used to say all the children of India should learn this song. Its meaning is so good. There are some non-Bengali people say enjoy Bengali, but our, national anthem is written in Bengali. So there is no such thing. Language is not, doesn't matter at all. The matters, the subject, topics. That's what I feel. So every year I sing this song in the last one. This is our last one. Because whoever knows, keep the voice. I will ask Abhijit, all the male boys I want. Huh? Yeah.